Hi, Stan Razzo, Head Teacher Science at Toronto High School, talking about the Earth and Environmental Science subject. Earth and Environmental Science is a 2-unit science course that allows students to develop an appreciation and understanding of the geological and environmental concepts that help explain the changing face of the Earth over time. Geological concepts such as plate tectonics, for instance, earthquakes and volcanoes, and the ins and outs of the mining industry of how to mine for minerals and gems and other fossil fuels. Environmental concepts such as the impact of resources and the environmental damage that may be done to the environment by the impact of resources through mining, etc., and the use of those resources, the burning of fossil fuels, for instance. So there is a focus and emphasis on climate change throughout the Earth and Environmental course. There's a particular focus on how to efficiently use our resources and how to rehabilitate any of the ecosystems that have been damaged. Earth and Environmental Science does complement biology quite well. There's quite an overlap and crossover of content there, so hence a lot of students that do choose Earth Environmental Science have also chosen biology, and it makes sense to be able to pick those two subjects together due to the overlap. So it helps in the efficiency of studying concepts. No need to duplicate the study in certain topic areas. The career paths that Earth and Environmental Science may lead you to are those in the mining industry, paleontology, studying fossils, archaeology, environmental scientists or climate scientists that's studying pollution, the effects on the environment, and doing the field testing for all that all that environmental testing and gathering of data for climate change science. So if these are the areas that interest you, and career paths that interest you, then obviously Earth and Environmental Science would be a great science for you to choose. Thank you for listening.
To start us off with, the word geology comes from the Greek for geo, meaning earth, and ology, meaning the study of. Geology involves studying the materials that make up the earth, the features, for example, and the structures that are found on earth, as well as the processes that shape them. Geology can also refer to the solid features of any celestial bodies. Celestial bodies being asteroids, planets, or comets. Geology also studies the history of all life that's ever lived or is still living on our Earth today. Studying how life on our planet has changed over time is an important part of geology. Geology can be incredibly varied, and people study all sorts of different things. For example, natural hazards like volcanoes and earthquakes. The inside of the earth is made from a core, a mantle, and the overlying crust. There's also fossils, resources, including oil and gas exploration, and also looking for precious metals. And finally, for space exploration, for example, studying Mars or the Moon. So that was geology in a minute. Stay tuned to see what geology means to these scientists in just one word.
Rocks.
Gold.
Planets.
Volcanoes.
Time.
Climate.
Chemistry.
Stories.
Dinosaurs.
Fieldwork.